This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Present time is available. As a non-dark, I cannot predict the future. I'm afraid I'm not like Света с того света. Я не предсказываю. I think say thank you. I'm afraid that's not possible. 2x and crazy time. Oh, what you reckon, guys? Will we make it? Will we? Will we? Oh, yes. Let it be the best crazy time out of all of them in this session. Come on, we got a 2 times multiplied crazy time bonus round. Almost at the end of this session. Yeah! Wild, crazy time west. We are going west and south. So, let's multiply the wheel first. Let's improve the possible highest ones there. Now, we got our free flappers, green, blue, yellow, 15 seconds of the decision time, and of course the atypic feature, if anything. Let's do it. I go green as always.
This is the amount of money issued 606,430 to euros.
Told you they take turns, guys. This time the blue team totally for a win 200x. 40x on the green flapper and a 30x went to the yellow side. My congratulations has 4. Babel, Raphael, Muslera, and DCL got the highest 5 results. Blue team, you're incredible! 200x! You are rich. Very, very rich.
You had a high win. Congratulations. And yes, for those who do not know, number 1, we do have 21 time, guys. 21 time. Number 1 on the wheel. 21 time. Yes, indeed. All right. Let's go, guys. As always, trying to go for wins to get. Coin flip with 5 times a multiplier. Hi. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing very good, guys. Very good. And you're going to be doing very good as well because, ladies and gentlemen, coin flip with 5 times multiplier from the top slots. And guess what, guys? It's another bonus game with another multiplier, guys. 3 bonus games, all 3 of them with a top slot multipliers. Yes, indeed. Happy Tuesday, guys. All right, darling. 6 multiplier and... yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 10x for the red and 250 for the blue, guys. I want the blue, guys. I want a blue, but I'm so scared. Come on, give us the blue.
This is the amount of money issued 1,234,770 euros.
Oh my days, guys.
To O2W. Hello, calling community. Welcome. Tell me about your day. How are you feeling today? Oh, KD, thank you. But sometimes I think so. This voice is like a cartoon voice or something like that. Do you know? Really? Hey, crazy time. Where are you? We were looking for you. No, you're right. Let's go. Good luck. 7x on crazy time. Maybe right time to get a crazy time. Do you know to get a crazy time, you try to make a full revolution, then crazy time is 7x? But looks like it's too slow, kind of a little bit, do you know, like that? But maybe, baby, one more go! Woo! We got it! 7x on crazy time! Woo! I guess it. Ooh, so heavy. Finally, we got a crazy time with top slot as well. So, go, guys. No, look at that. First, we will add a 7x to have a wheel. That's the first part. Okay, boom shakalaka. 7x, here we go. Oh my, amazing. Okay, 007. Dylan, let's go. Oh my days, that'll be the highest one, 1,400, I guess. Yeah, I guess it will be like that because we got a triple. Triple. Hi, 007. Let's go, 1,400. Woo! Good luck. Let's make a history.
This is the amount of money issued 1,069,844 euros.
And 70 on yellow. Oh, congratulations, winner, Saint victory. Blue flopper got a high point, 380. That was really fast. Hi guys, we are back. Congratulations, 10,000 players on 65 KPU mark. Rap.
I do try. But yes, again, darlings, have absolutely no idea to do with any of the outcomes of the game. But still, loads of good luck to all of you. Crazy 10 minute 4 times to multiply from the wonderful top list, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Another top set multiplier for, you know what? For the crazy time. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, guess where we are at? We are here. It is crazy time, darlings. Oh yeah, guys. We are home, darlings. So now we're gonna multiply everything by 4. Yes, let's do this. All right. Your hands now. Choose your flapper. The green, the blue, the yellow. All right, choose wisely, darling. So now, 400x, the highest multiplier, and let's go for it. Good luck. All right. Triple, guys.
This is the amount of money issued 1,095,985 euros.
This is how we roll. Good morning, sunshine. Oh, honey, we're home. Ladies and gentlemen, 60, 100, and 400 for your multipliers, baby. This is how we roll, guys. Congratulations to all the amazing winners, guys. 100,000 euros, guys.
You know, I will go to Oktoberfest. No, I won't, GG. I would like to go there sometime, maybe. But no, I'm not in Germany. I'm in Latvia. 7x on caption, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, but no, someday I would like to go to the Oktoberfest, actually. Can we? Stay there. Oh, yes. See, guys, we got it. Look at that caption, everybody, with a 7x on it. Let's do this. Hey, yo. Yo. Here it is, everybody. We got it. The 7x caption. Now show us. Oh, show us the 100x's. But wait. Boom, everybody. There's going to be a 7x first. Come on, do it. Here we go. Skapoom. 700x, everybody, is the max. Beautiful number. Oh, we're going to be fighting for it right now. 700x. I didn't see the other multis. Were there any 50x's? Well, now it should be like 350x. There were 100x's, bunch of them. Well, beautiful. Beautiful stuff, everybody. Here we go. Nice. So now, choose your emoji. Let's do this, everybody. Take your time. Autopic also exists, of course, you know. You know that. Last seconds, and now, everybody, here goes the big reveal. Show us.
This is the amount of money issued 742,518 euros.
Well, beautiful. Amazing. So let's see, how many? 615 winners with 700x, 900 of y'all got 140x. 5,530 winners in total. Paul with a beautiful top winning 52,000 euros. Comes with it. Betting time, everybody. Good luck in the next one. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. I told you I feel like beating the record of the day, alright? Okay, I mean, I might have said it like 2 sessions ago, alright? But I said it. Who
Damn. Hey yo, Easter is coming up, right? This Sunday, if I'm not mistaken, Easter takes place, yeah? I think so. Pause, hold on. Good morning, Sinchida King. What's up? Hello. Yes, Easter Sunday is coming up. I only knew today. I only got to know today that it's this Sunday. 7x on cash hunt, winning result. Ain't no way, baby. It's a 7x cash hunt. Sheesh. Amazing. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're gonna record the biggest win of the day for some of you, at least in this cash hunt. A lot of 100x's. First of all, apply the multi. 7x the whole board, and the board looks sexy. Dang, 700x's shining. Plenty of triple-digit payouts. Hopefully, you're gonna do great. Let's see. Okay. Boom. That's how the board looks. Well, that's the icons. And now you gotta choose where you shoot, what you take. And then we'll see what you get. My pick is that target right there in the middle, on the 3rd row. That's my pick. Come on, you ready? Multis, reveal yourself.
This is the amount of money issued 150,070 for euros.
105x. The top side filled with good multis. Hopefully you did awesome. Congratulations to the winners. Level, Jessica, and Marv with the top wins. Biggest bonus of the day, 700x on cash hunt. Passant.
See what we can get to place that back. Let's see. Thank you, Matchy. Like 3, 2, 1. Cash on 5x from top slot. Cash on 5x. Welcome to Cash on 5x, ladies and gentlemen. Is this what I think it is? Yes! Multiply that by 5. Maximum is 2,500. Let's see. We just beat today's highs, which was that probably not even an hour ago. You may make your decisions. Well, now it's going to be 2,500 on cash hunt. Skyfish. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued 143,676 euros.
Let's head on back to the wheel. Congratulations to all the winners, good luck in the next round. The betting time is now open to all newcomers. Welcome, feel free to join in. Let's see.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.